Now it's time for another exercise. But in this exercise, we are going to be creating a task management system. Now, the specification is that each task should be associated to a user. Each task should have a status. This might be to do, in progress, QA for quality assurance, done, etc. This list of statuses needs to be extendable such that a root account or an admin account can create as many status fields as or status values as they want to. Only admin and root accounts can create tasks, and the only thing a user can do is to change the status of the task. The reasons why is because this is like a top to down task management system where you have admin accounts that are creating tasks and delegating these tasks to their employees. And the only thing employees can do is actually to change the status of their own tasks and not other people's tasks. So that is the specification for what you are about to create. Yet again, you should be able to use the CRUD generator for this task, implying that you should not be spending more than 1 hour creating this system in total.